This plant holds highly religious significance in India. Do you know the name? This is Sindoor plant, also known as lipstick tree. Stay tuned to know more about it. Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. I have a Sindoor plant in my front garden. It's a 2-year-old plant. Last April I did hard pruning to this and it surprised me with lots many beautiful pink flowers which have turned into fruits now. These are the pink flowers and next to it you can see small red color flower buds. And here comes the bunch of red hairy thing. These are its fruits. The tree has heart-shaped leaves and these tiny red flower buds turn into pink flowers which has mild fragrance into it, and these flowers turns into small hairy fruits which grows to bigger size and turns reddish brown when matured, which has several seeds inside which is used for making sindoor and for several other purposes. Let me show you how it looks from inside at this stage. These red seed pods looks more beautiful than its flowers, isn't it? And this is almost a mature seed pod, but they are used when it's dried completely. The red color fruit contains several tiny seeds inside, which turns reddish brown at maturity, are used to make powder out of it. Sindoor, which is also called as vermilion, which is used by Indian women, is derived from these seeds only. Oh my god, look at the bright color. Its seeds are gaining economic importance in recent years as a highly desirable colorant. Yes, you heard it right. The unique feature of this plant is a dye, which is a non-toxic and mainly used for making dye, food color, hair oils, polishes, chemical ink, and for coating medicines and drugs, etc. And interestingly, it doesn't affect the aroma of the products. Now let's talk about how to grow them and what kind of care they require. This plant is not at all fuzzy for its growing medium. You can grow them in regular garden soil. No need to prepare a special potting mix for this. However, keep adding compost occasionally for its better growth. The plant needs good sunlight to thrive. At least 4 to 5 hours of sunlight will promote flowering to the plant, and water moderately like any other plant. And that's all they need. You can grow this plant from its stem cutting like we do for hibiscus plants. If you find this plant in your neighborhood, get a cutting and grow them in your garden. If it's not around, I will share a few links you can buy online. So that's all for today guys, and I hope you liked today's video. See you soon with one more interesting video.